Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to Excel Word Rotate. First, select the cell or cells where you want to adjust text orientation. Then, right-click your selection and choose Format Cells from the menu that appears. This action opens a new dialog box with several tabs. Click on the Alignment tab to access the text control options. This is the crucial first step to gaining control over your text direction and making your spreadsheets more readable and visually appealing. Once you are on the Alignment tab, look for the Orientation section. Here, you will see a small box with a red diamond. You can click and drag this diamond to visually set your text rotation, anywhere from 90 degrees clockwise to 90 degrees counterclockwise. For precise control, simply type a numerical value into the degrees box. For example, enter 45 for a diagonal look or negative 45 for the opposite diagonal. This allows for exact customization. Beyond simple rotation, the Alignment tab offers more. You can choose to stack your text vertically by checking the vertical text box. This arranges each letter one above the other, which is perfect for very narrow columns or when you need to save horizontal space. It transforms your text from horizontal to a top-to-bottom display. Remember to adjust your column width to ensure all characters are fully visible and easy to read after applying this setting. So, why bother rotating text? It's incredibly useful for fitting long headers into narrow columns without losing information, making your spreadsheets much more efficient. It also significantly improves the visual appeal and organization of your data, guiding the eye and highlighting key information. By mastering text rotation, you can create professional, clear, and impactful reports and dashboards that communicate effectively, even with limited space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.